Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. Today, I and my fellow member will present about the project that we have been done. Our project is test lamp shaded. Here, I will show up about the separated duty for all group members and also they are my supervisor, Dr. Syahid Budil bin Abdul Kudus. Me, Radin Putri Fazana Natasha binti Radin Muhammad Shamsuzari. My duty is updating the report project. Rakesh Kumar's duty is completing the 3D printing, while Khairul Ashraf's duty is completing the 3D drawing SolidWorks design, and for our last group member, Hazimi Helmi, his duty is updating the defined design workbook. Here I would like to present about the intro of lamp shaded. Lamp shades are decorative covers for lamps. They are used to diffuse and direct light coming from a lamp or light bulb. Shades can be conical, cylindrical, or take on other form. Some lamps come with their own shades, while others can be fitted with shades that can be bought at home liquor store. Shades also can be custom tailored to fit lamps for all sizes. Many people specialize in custom-made lampshades. The purpose of our project is to show the attraction of the lampshade with the generated light. In addition, it enhances the ambience of a room or space that is harmonious, quiet, and can produce a pattern light. For our final project, we will decorate our own desk lampshade with 4 hexagon design and mesh for the pattern. For the objective for our lampshade is first, lampshade have mesh pattern with 4 hexagon design were produced. Second, mesh pattern product produced are to attraction living room and perfect for creating a soft and comforting environment that needs this day. And the last, the goal of the design have low production cost, but at the same time, it still have quality and good appearance. That's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Rakesh. Today I going to explain about design statement of my group project, which is table lampshade. Okay, there are many types of lampshade in market with many different pattern, many different dimension, many different shapes of lampshades. So we also created a lampshade which is with mice pattern. Okay, what is mice pattern? Mice pattern is like a QR code bar pattern. Okay, we design a hexagon design table lampshade. For hexagon design lampshade, here a picture for hexagon design lampshade. First side, second side, third side, fourth side. Okay, at the lampshade we have consists of 4 patterns at sides. So every side is complete with the mice patterns. So we design a hole at the top and the bottom. Okay, we design a hole at the top and a hole at the bottom. Okay, at the bottom we design a hole to fix a lamp because we use a fixed lamp at the bottom. Okay, why we have a hole at the top? The use of the hole at the top is to reduce the hot air inside the lampshade to get out. So we design our this product for fixed bulb at the bottom. Already I declare ready. Okay, we using the compact fluorescent bulb. Okay, we use a compact fluorescent bulb. Why we use a compact fluorescent bulb? Because it is run cooler and it requires less space. So the next is the distance between the bulb and the shade is 1 to 2 inches around. We fix the bulb at the center. So at the body to the bulb, we fix a dimension 1 to 2 inches around.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazimi Hilmi, and I am going to explain about design development. First is the target audience. Um, we target a younger generation as our audience because our design for our lampshade has a modern design which is different from traditional uh, lampshade. So we try to have more younger generation as our customer. Next is features that portray pride of the users. Since we are using the 3D printing method, uh, there is no additional tooling or mold, so we can so the customer can uh, customize their own lampshade, so we can put such as uh, their logo, or they can choose their own colors. Next is types of the AM system that could be used. So basically we are choosing to use a desktop printer which is cheap and easy to use and suitable for our product because of the size and also the material that we are going to use. Next is the product value. So when designing this lampshade, we try to add not only a functional value but also aesthetic values. So the lampshade can work, can function, but also it is beautiful. Next is design features. So one of the features is weight reduction. Uh, we are using a maze pattern design, so it has a lot of um, see-through or hollow, so that it make the lampshade more lighter. And also because of the design, it works as a structuring features, so it makes the lampshade stronger. Lastly is the manufacturing process. We choosing material extrusion method because of the design. Material extrusion method is efficient and also can give a better finish for the lampshade. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name Muhammad Khairul Ashraf bin Zainal. For this slide, I would present about drawing product and 3D print, which is lamp shaded. As you can see, the lamp shaded design was created by using SolidWorks software. To complete this design, mostly I use loft feature in order to achieve specific height. For the angle, I use 60-degree angle for a better look when applied for 3D printing. This design was in white color because I apply ABS material for this product. For 3D printing, the parameter for building the support is by using 3 light support type. The overhang threshold, I set it to 45 degree while post diameter 2 mm, base diameter 4 mm, and base height 6 mm. And the parameter before I running the printing, we use standard for resolution, and for rough we use Bmmw. In this case, we use hexagon fill pattern to achieve solid or more strength on the product. The printing result was shown slide. As you can see, after printing, there is 392 layers in order to have a full set of this product. And the estimated print time for this product is 12 hours and 45 minutes. For estimated material right, it is used 20.64 meters.
Again, we get back to the conclusion. Okay, different type of lampshade serve a different purpose. Okay, every lampshade is designed with a different designs, different shapes. Okay, why we design the different shapes? Because the shapes depends the market price. Because we design the different shape, different my size, it depends on the market price. The correct design shade generally affect the kind of light the lamp, because the design also affect the brightness of the light, because when we design a lampshade with a dull surface, a dull color, it can affect the brightness of the bulb. So we use a 3D printer to print out the model of the lampshade, because first we create the model, sketch the model, then we design the model in the CAD model SolidWorks. After the SolidWorks, we import the model to the flash print. After we fix in flash print, we import the model to the 3D printer to print out the model. So the 3D printer is an advanced manufacturing process used to build physical objects from digital images. Like I said, from the image we can print out an object, because the 3D printer is always used to print out an object from the image. We can transfer to the codes to the 3D printer to print out a object. 3D printing is a high effective and reliable, time-saving and eco-friendly. Okay, 3D printer is a time-saving machine because it is simple to use and it is a dimension is small, not a giant machine. It is like a printer, so it is flexible to use. It's easy to use. 3D printer has an application in wide variety of fields. Everyone can use 3D printer. It is easy to use, easy to handle. It is an imaging technology which has scopes for new development by using 3D printer. Thank you.